Alright boys, we out here today. Some of you Ford boys are already gonna know what this is. It's a BOV spacer right here. It's going on the Fiesta ST today. It shouldn't be too hard of a job. We'll see. I think you just gotta take off a wheel or something, but is it on that side? Yeah. Alright, good. Alright, so that's what we're doing today. We got Sam over there, he's jacking up his car. And this is potential ear rape, apparently. Videos apparently really do this thing justice and make it sound loud as fucks, but we'll see. Breaking out the gold light right here. Oh! My paint. Watch the paint, watch the paint.
Watch the cheap paint.
This ain't Brandon's Corrado, you can't just go and throw the bumpers everywhere. Did you bring over your stands?
No.
Oh.
We're gonna be unsafe tonight.
Alright, we're being unsafe tonight, don't do this.
Or do it. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're just not responsible. If you die, you die.
I remember that before you try to sue us.
Yeah.
We don't have any money.
You're not getting much. You're getting a pull-off valve spacer. That's what you're getting.
No, fuck that, dude. I'm taking that off before I have to give up my car. Keeping all the parts. You can keep the stock exhaust. It'll just be cut off.
Oh, I'm selling the TC muffler delete though. If anyone wants to cop, let's start the bidding at $80. Just use your factory bolts and it bolts right on at the flange right there. So
just start the bidding at $3 and let it go up.
Yeah, we'll see how that works.
Look how bald these are. Look at my wear bars.
I'm tired, dude. It's time for some federales.
I think, yeah, on these I'm gonna put federals. When I get my other wheels, I'm gonna put continentals.
Smart man.
Those are the ones I'm gonna daily. No, you don't have to take anything off. It's all right here. The real question is, where exactly?
Alright, we gotta find this first. Are we gonna have to break out in our YouTube video tutorial on this? Or?
Wait, I think, oh, I see it.
So not hard to get to?
Nah.
We'll see.
Not hard to get to.
We'll see. It's a Boomba.
Boomba.
Good old Boomba.
Bombay. Ooh. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have driven it that hard.
Yeah.
Such a bitch to get to. In all honesty, as dangerous as this is, I think I'm gonna go under.
Oh man.
Okay, you want to get my stands though, this terrifies me.
Yeah.
Deadass tried me to get my stands.
Okay.
Bet.
Go
get my stands.
Alright, you gotta hear my exhaust anyways now, because I'm no longer a rice boy. Alright, and we're back. We got stands under the car. You can't see them because it's dark out, but they are there. 1 stand. 2 stand. That's all you need. That's all it takes.
Plastic. Ah. I can move this.
Interesting.
I want to go into my trunk, or my hatch, I guess, and get. It should be in the right pocket if you're looking at it from the back.
First step is to unscrew some of these pieces that are in the way.
It landed in my ear.
Whoa, what the hell? That's weird.
Is it in my ear or did it fall out?
I think it fell out. I thought I heard it.
Feels like it's still in there.
That's a little weird.
Dude, this thing was way too easy to take out. Oh, it's the cover for my pulleys. This made this so much easier. What the fuck?
Look at all the room, dude. This honestly isn't that bad. You gotta find it again.
You gotta find it again. I think it's back there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. That honestly made it so much easier. Perusing through your tools, dog.
Alright, Sam out here. He's been struggling to get these bolts, but he's doing a good job at least.
At least you had like a flex head style thing.
Yeah.
Otherwise this would not have happened. Would have been Allen key and I would have given up.
If you're trying to do that, make sure you, or if you're trying to do this, make sure you have one of those, because
it fell out again.
Big help. It fell out again.
There was another tool that the other guy had that I knew I didn't have, so I didn't bother asking. But it was like, remember the ones Brandon went to Ace Hardware to get when we were at the junkyard?
I wasn't there, but yeah, I remember what it was.
It was those.
Okay.
Those help too, I guess.
In a minute.
Ooh, sorry that I just finessed one of your locks, but I saved your ass. Oh, this thing's a hot potato, dude.
Yeah, look at what it's being replaced with.
A longer potato.
Some longy boys.
Some longy boy bolts.
If this was the Accord, we'd just remove the struts and everything. It'd be so easy, but I'm not trying to do that tonight.
Yeah, if this was the Accord, we'd just rip off this whole panel.
Yeah, right? If this was the Accord, we'd go at it with saws and zip ties. And
if this was the Accord, it wouldn't be here right now because it'd be total.
My hands are like broken. Yeah, I broke in my hands.
Oh.
Alright, one more bolt left. Sam didn't come this far to be denied, so this shit's coming off. Not that this is like...
Oh boy,
anything.
we're in.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Not that this is anything like too extreme to do or anything, but we're just doing this before we go out for dinner, so like we're just on a little bit of a time constraint.
Shit,
not really though.
Oh,
We're just doing this quick.
Guys.
Oh shit, is it off?
We're almost off.
Shit. This is the first mod besides the exhaust and the lights.
Exhaust is the only mod I would really count. Lights are just...
I count your lights too because they're bright as fuck.
That's true. They're fucked up how bright they are.
I'm glad that you fucking turn your lights off and use your fog lights whenever you're behind me. That's a lifesaver.
You're welcome.
Oh shit, guys. Check this out. Let's compare the two. Okay, it's not two. It just goes right on it.
I'm pretty sure...
Because it's a spacer. That makes more sense.
Pretty sure that this has to be how it goes. Yeah.
Yeah, it just goes on it. Well, alright, now you just gotta bolt it in with the long boys. And we'll see how she sounds. This is gonna be ear rape.
That's not good.
Alright, well, first attempt at just sliding it in.
Oh, that's really not good.
Oh no.
Oof. Okay,
We're
fine.
Alright, well that's good. It took a little bit of a tumble.
Life's still rad in Carlsbad. Now we'll try to slide the first bolt in.
Yeah, the process of putting it back in is going a lot more smooth.
Yeah, I'm already on the second bolt.
Not that anything really went wrong with taking it off.
It's just more difficult to
yeah.
take it off. I gotta find it though. There it is.
Alright, one last bolt to go in, one last long boy. Sam gave out some helpful advice earlier and said that if you cramp easily, this isn't the best job to do, so.
I'm dying, dude.
Fuck. You gotta stretch them hammies before you do this. Just gotta put this little cover on right here. Everything else is assembled, the sensors put back in. It's a good time. And after this, we're hitting up Canes, dude. Motherfucking Canes. I've heard the hype about it. You've been there once. I've never been there.
It's actually pretty good.
I'm excited to try some chicken fingies. We'll see.
That's the one place you won't get shit on for actually ordering chicken fingers.
Yeah, because everyone does. This
I can't do it.
This dude's deep throating his flashlight. Gotta do anything for the mods. Here, do you want me to?
Ah, that's what I'm doing it totally wrong.
Alright guys, it's on there. We just gotta put the wheel back on, but we're gonna test it first obviously. But should be making some loud noises. What the hell, dude? It's ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous.
That's sick though.
Alright, well, Fiesta ST gets a blow-off valve spacer. Now it's just time to put the wheel on, and so anytime you get on it and go to change gears, it's going to sound like that. Nice. Or let off, so this is gonna be interesting. I wonder if that'll ever get annoying.
I wonder the same thing.
I don't know, because I've never been a fan of blow-off valves in general, let alone blow-off valve spacers, because...
What an asshole.
But, well, no, I've never been that kind of guy that's like, yeah, I want to hear that, but that's honestly pretty sick. It's pretty loud. Wow. That was ear rape. Shit, we'll have to hear it when you drive.
One of them's already stripping.
Gotta torque them shits on there. Alright guys, well I just got done driving it for Sam. This shit's just absolutely ridiculous.
No way. Dude, you know the mallet?